polynomial word problems. And here we have a simple word problem. Find the area and the perimeter. So we have two things to find. And we're given a rectangle with the length of 4x plus 1 and the width of 3x plus 2. So area, we've done that before. So area is equal to length times width. And we can substitute our values in. So 4x plus 1, that can be our length. And when we use multiplication, we need to use our parentheses to make sure each part of the binomial gets multiplied with the other binomial. So we have our length and our width written down, and then we're just going to multiply these through. So 4x times 3x, 4 times 3 is 12, and x times x is x squared. So 12x squared. 4x times 2x, 4 times 2 is 8, so that's 8x. 1 times 3x is just 3x, and 1 times 2 is just 2. So the area, when we write that down, combine like terms, we get area is equal to, we don't have any other squared terms, so we can just write down 12x squared. We have two x terms, so 8 plus 3 is 11x, and we have one constant term, so we can write that down. So that is the area. And then the perimeter that we're trying to calculate, the equation for perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So that's going to be the equation for perimeter that we need right there. So again, we're going to have to substitute those values in. So perimeter is equal to, said the length was 4x plus 1. So we'll say 2 times 4x plus 1 plus 2 times 3x plus 2. So the first thing for each one of these, we have to distribute in the 2 to each one of the binomials. So 2 times 4 is 8x, and 2 times 1 is 2. And then we're going to have to add 2 times 3x, which is 6x, and 2 times 2, which is 4. And then we can combine our like terms. So we have an 8x and a 6x. So that becomes 14x. And then we have a 2 and a 4. So that becomes 6. And so this is the polynomial that represents the perimeter of this rectangle. And this is the polynomial that represents the area of that polynomial.